Demetrius!
Main event, main event. Damn, so apparently I wasn't recording. So this shit's recording, yeah. This is me just still figuring stuff out. But I'm here at one of my favorite breakfast joints called Blue Noodle. It's right next door to where I'm staying. Oh sweet, no way, the food's here already. Oh, cup and cup. Oh shit, what perfect timing actually. So last night I wasn't able to sleep well. I'm still dealing with jet lag to a degree. Oh shit, I'm gonna have to take this off. But hold up. Too much stimulation, too many things going on. All right, this is gonna, yeah, I got my soup. I didn't hit fucking record. So oopsie days, dude, this is, all right. Dude, if you can smell this broth right here, that's savory. Oh, fuck yes. And of course, got their orange juice. So yeah, anyways, last night I wasn't able to sleep very well, but I wasn't able to sleep very well. I don't feel tired now, but it was one of those nights where, I don't know, it was just such a lucid type of sleep where I didn't literally stay up the whole night, but I couldn't fall into a deep sleep. So I rested the whole night. Now I ain't got no headaches. I feel pretty good. So the plan today is just gonna, after breakfast, I gotta do some shopping at 7-Eleven. And then after that, I'm just gonna chill at home for a little while. And then I'm gonna head to the gym. And then later this evening, I'm meeting up with friends again. And I believe one of my friends is gonna fight. And that's gonna be really cool to see. So hope you guys can enjoy the show. Oh man, that was sour. Holy shit. Dang, bro. Wow. That's one thing about Thailand. Another thing about their specialties, their juices are insane. All right, so now I'm gonna head out to the gym to get a workout in because I already seen the city before, so I'm just gonna go get a lift in. All right, so that was a pretty damn good workout. It was good, pretty damn good. A lot of really nice machines that they have. They're like, no joke, that was one of the best equipped gyms I've used in quite some time. So if you're looking for a good workout while you're in Chiang Mai, let me show you the gym. It's this one, Chiang Mai Muay Thai Sports Education Visa, DTV. What the hell? They have visa services here, but this is the gym. So if you're in, oh yeah, so they have a good gym and they also have a Muay Thai area right next to the gym. So real good stuff, highly recommend. And now I'm gonna head back home, smoke some weed. Well, no, it's lunchtime. Now I'm going to Khao Soi Lana to eat some food. And then I go to room and chill for the rest of the day. So I'll see you there. All right, so now I'm gonna make my way to the boxing ring to see my homie fight. My boy, I finally made it. So apparently, oh, there it is. There's the boxing stadium. There's a McDonald's that they told me to look for. That is not... I think my friends are leading me to a place to get mugged. All right, let me double back. And I'll go literally underneath the McDonald's. Yo, check this place out. This place is kind of wild. Oh no, I gotta find the boxing area. I want to see my homie. Where is he at? Trying to find the homie. Wow, this place is wild, bro. This place really got an ass on it. God damn. Dude, I'm gonna miss the fight, bro. Demetrius!
Main event.
If he could poison his opponent, he would.
No, he wouldn't.
And I don't blame him.
I wouldn't even
Try Red Bull to keep me awake until midnight. Some fucking from Decathlon for runner to give me fuel for the fight.
Nice pants, by the way.
Mudeng. No six pack. I was eating 5,000 calories the last couple of days to gain weight again from the 62.
Did you take creatine?
Yes, 50 grams. I'm really
Okay, yeah. You did it, bro. You see? That was yours.